Hello friends, it's Miss Kiera from Kidventures Forest Ranch. How are you? How's your spring cleaning going? I'm outside in my backyard getting some sun, and I thought, what better time to clean all my toys than during our spring cleaning week. So I'm going to show you a fun way to clean your toys. So I've got this little toy right here that's already kind of soapy, and it has sharks and paw prints on it. And the fun thing is that I get to share this toy with my nephews. But when they're touching it, I'm touching it and everything like that. Just like us, it needs a good wash every so often. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a bowl, or you can use a bin or a tray or anything you'd like, and you're going to fill it up with water, and you're going to add some soap. So mine already has some soap in it, but you can add a little bit more. And you may get a few bubbles like we just did. And you're definitely going to make some bubbles inside of your soapy water. Then you're going to put your toy, check with your parents and make sure it's a toy that can go in here. And you're going to wash. And you can think about, what songs have you guys been singing when you're washing your hands? Are you singing happy birthday songs or other creative different songs that you can sing and wash your hands? You can sing the same when you're washing your toys. Also, I have a watermelon sponge here, and yours might look the same as mine, but you can use any sponge, and you're going to scrub, and you can think about how many bubbles you can make. You can think about different songs you want to sing again, and then once they seem all sparkly clean, you're going to put them back in the water. You can rinse off your hands, but it's okay if they're kind of soapy. And then you're going to find a very, very sunny place to put your toys when they dry off. Okay? So we're going to go put this away in a sunny place. But also in your packet, you should have gotten something like this. My hands are still soapy, but that's okay. And it's pink lemonade. And what better time to have lemonade after we do some really hard work by cleaning all of our toys. So you can get a cup of water, like I already have, and you're going to pour your pink lemonade powder inside, and it'll turn pink. I don't know if you guys can see it. Here you go. It'll turn pink. And then you're going to want to take a fork or a spoon and mix it up and try it. It's so refreshing. And while our toys are soaking, then we can drink our pink lemonade in the sun with our family and siblings or anybody else that you live with during this time. And you can relax. And then once some time goes by and they seem clean and they're drying off in the sun, then you can start playing with your toys again, and they'll be all sparkly clean for you. I hope you guys had so much fun learning about how to wash your toys and had some tips on relaxation for drinking some pink lemonade or whatever else you'd like to drink. I can't wait to see you guys soon. I hope you have a great day. Bye!